Sakshi and I'm from Mumbai.
How was your learning experience at BSMH?
My experience in BSMH was very good. All the trainers and all the members of our class was very friendly, and that was very comfortable working with them and learning.
What changes do you see in yourself after joining this course?
The changes I'm seeing in myself is that I'm very confident now. I can do makeup and hair both. I'm feeling very confident that like I can do anything now. This place has given me a lot of confidence to go with makeup and hair.
How are the trainers at BSMH?
Trainers were so good and they were so friendly. Like we were so comfortable working with them. We learned so many things, and they were so experienced, and that was very good.
What is your best memory at BSMH?
That there's no particular memory. Like every second I spent here was very good, and I'll miss this place so much after the course.
Would you like to recommend aspirants to join BSMH?
Of course, I will recommend BSMH anytime, as this is a right platform to learn makeup, and also trainers are very good, so we can get very best training and experience here.